Hi everyone, let me show you the full solution to this problem here. 5 to the power of x minus 2 equals 40. I'm going to show you the full solution. Now the first thing we are going to do is to work on this according to one of the laws of indices, right? Remember that if you have m to the power of a divided by m to the power of b, this is the same thing as m to the power of a minus b. So that means that what I have on the left hand side here can be written as 5 to the power of x divided by 5 to the power of 2 because of the division, because of the subtraction there, and this is equal to 40. So this is 5 to the power of x over 25, because 5 squared is 25. This is equal to 40. So what do? We are going to cross multiply, and we'll have 5 to the power of x to be equal to 40 multiply by 25, because we are cross multiplying. So we go again, we have 5 to the power of x. Let's see if this can exist in the base of 5 completely. 40 is 8 multiplied by 5. 25 is 5 multiplied by 5. So you can see that 40 times 25 cannot exist in the base of 5 completely. So this can rather exist as 5 in 3 places, that's 5 to the power of 3 multiplied by 8. So what do we now do? Take the log of both sides since we can't have the same base. And then we now have log 5 to the power of x to be equal to log 5 to the power of 3 multiplied by 8. The next step is that you divide both sides, not yet. The next step is that you look at what we have here and apply a law. The law says log mn is equal to log m plus log n. Yes, this is what the law says. And we have log 5 to the power of x to be equal to log 5 to the power of 3 plus log 8. I hope we can see that very well. So if we go on, this x is going to go behind, and we will have x. Remember, the power always goes behind. That's one of the laws of logarithm. So we have x log 5 to be equal to 3 log 5, then plus log 8. It does not have power, so you leave it like that. Then to get the value of x, we will have to divide this by log 5, and we'll have to divide this again by log 5. So this will take this out. Okay, so we have x to be equal to 3 log 5 plus log 8 divided by log 5. Right, so this is what we have. But then looking at what we have right now on the right hand side, we can still simplify it, right? Just watch me do it. Okay, so from here now, our x is going to be 3 log 5 divided by log 5, then plus log 8 divided by log 5. Okay, so this one here can just cancel this out. We have 3 over there. So our x will be 3 plus log 8 divided by log 5. then we can apply change of base to that, so that 5 here becomes the base to the 8. Because if you have log m divided by log n like this, it is the same thing as log m to base n. So if this is true, then the value here can be changed to give us x equals 3 plus log 8 to base 5. So this right now is the value of x that we have from the equation. But I would like us to put this back into the equation very quickly and try to verify. So let's try to remember what the equation is. The equation is 5 to the power of x minus 2 equals 40. So in place of x, I'm going to put the value 3 plus log 8 to base 5. So we have 5 to the power of 3 plus log 8 to base 5. So will this be equal to 40? Let's simplify this. But we know that this implies that from one of the laws of logarithm, indices rather, this is 5 to the power of 3 multiplied by the same 5 to the power of log 8 to base 5. Okay, 5 to the power of 3 times 5 to the power of log 8 to base 5. Because if you pick one of the bases, you're going to have 5. And these two are the powers, you're going to add them. Now, let's take a step further. By the way, there's something I didn't do. Oh, thank God I remember that. So permit me to remove this very quickly, because we are still going to introduce minus 2 to the power here. Let's go there. Okay, so the whole of this is the x, and this minus 2 should come here. Okay, so the minus 2 should come. Then we have 5 to the power of 3 minus 2 is 1, then plus log 8 to base 5. So this will now implies we have 5 to the power of 1 multiplied by 5 again to the power of log 8 to base 5. I hope this is understandable now. So that from here, 5 to the power of 8 is 5. And we know that the whole of this should be equal to 8, because the same base here, log to base 5, is the same base that we have here. So only 8 remains according to one of the laws of indices too. Law of logarithm. So we just multiply this by 8, and 5 times 8 is 40. Okay, no wonder the given equation is 5 to the power of x minus 2 equals 40. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing so that you can always have access to my videos. Thank you. Share, like, comment.